short and sweet. So, this is gonna be my list of dolls that I would keep were I still living in a car. So I do have experience living in a car. I was living in my car for several months before I moved into an apartment, and that was before and after I worked abroad. So I was in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia doing a gig at this amusement park. Not really an amusement park, but it was an attraction called Boulevard World, and I played just a bunch of Marvel superhero music at this gig. But before that and after that, I was living in my car, and I know what it's like sleeping in negative 16-degree weather, and I know what it's like traveling with a bunch of dolls in boxes. So this is my short list for dolls that I would have in my possession were I still living in my car. That was a very long introduction. I also can't really look directly into the camera because the flash is so bright. So I would keep Lemon Drop Mei Li in Versailles because she's just so unique and one of a kind. I would keep Skittles, the blonde curly prototype Esme in the Rapunzel dress, because she's so unique and one of a kind. I would keep Pennywise curly Carrie in Sang Noir, because she's adorable and diabolical and dainty and devilish and unique and one of a kind. I would keep Black Orchid Carrie, the Sherry Miller hand-painted Carrie prototype, because she's gorgeous and she really puts all my other dolls to shame in terms of her beauty, and I just love that outfit. The Black Orchid Tyler outfit is just to die for. It's couture. Just dripping in Dior's Midnight Poison, so love it. Even though it came before Midnight Poison's time. And then I would keep, who else would I keep? So that's already $4. I would keep oh god, I'm totally spacing. Shit. That's $4. Oh yeah, no, I already said that. Wild Orchid Esme, my prototype Wild Orchid Esme with the original design dress and the hand-painted by Robert Tonner face details. Oh my god, she's a treasure. I'd have to keep her. So that's $5. 3 more, because I want to keep 8. And it's kind of a stupid reason why I would keep 8, because I have 8 dolls that I don't have boxes for, so they'd be homeless, so they'd be living with me in my car. So 3 more. My hand-painted Sherry Miller Arabian Coffee Emily, duh, because she's the Emily doll that I had when I was younger. When I was 16, I had the Spanish, Arabian Coffee Emily NYCB doll. Obviously not a prototype, I had the production doll, and then I think I sold her. But now I have the original doll from the advert photo, so I would have to keep her. 2 more. So I called that doll Venere, and then I would keep Katerina, who is in Christine Daae rag. What's left of the Christine Daae dress, because I ripped the train off after finding a huge snag. And I'm pretty convinced that she did that so that she could stay in my collection, because she's the one I've had the longest in this iteration of Tonner dolls in my collection. So I've had her since 2019, I think. And she just wants to stay with me. That's why she fucked up her dress, so that she could stay with me and not be sold. So she has to stay with me in the car. And then I would keep, for my last one, Andalusia, who is my Breathless Mahoney reroute in the Spanish Rose prototype with the Rhapsody in Red petticoat, because she is the face of Redondo. And she's gorgeous and magical and Spanish Muslim, which is all my favorite, you know, folklore. Like, Islamic Spain is just the birthplace of the most beautiful folklore, I think. And, wow, look at that nose, it's coming along nice. Okay, so that's my list.